Hello students, welcome to Commerce Classes Standard 12. In previous video, we studied about coordination. In this video, we are going to learn about functional areas of management. That means in business unit where management is most required. Let us learn about that 4 areas. First one is marketing management. Second, HRM, that means human resource management. Third, financial management. Fourth, production management. Let us understand one by one. Main function of marketing management is to get information about the demand of market. Financial management looks after arranging the finance for organization or business unit, and production management looks after converting raw material into finished goods. And to perform all these activities, business unit should make arrangements of human resources, because without human resources, raw material, or having ideal organization structure, everything is failed. So if there is lack of human resources, business unit would fail. So let us understand all 4 in detail. First one is marketing management. That is the process of managerial planning and carrying out the conception, pricing, promotion and distribution of goods and services in order to bring about exchanges to satisfy individual and organizational goals. So these are the 4 elements of marketing management: conception, pricing, promotion and distribution of goods, around which marketing management revolves. It aims to satisfy individuals also and even organizational goals. So, we can say that the main function of marketing management is to know about the taste and preference of the customer and about the product and its demand. Marketing management also focuses that customers should be satisfied. It works for the profitability of business organization by using its resources in most economical way. It also aims at creating demand and increase sales so that there is profit in the business and thus organizational goals are achieved. Let's have a look on 4 elements of marketing management. So, these are the 4 elements of marketing management. As you can look into the picture, the first one is product planning, or you may also call it product mix. Second is price planning. Third is distribution planning. Fourth is promotion planning. So, let us understand it one by one. Product mix means where management decides about the appearance of the product, or it also plans about the development of new product. So, how the appearance is decided? By taking into consideration its size, shape, weight, print, packaging, and also they are facilitated with after sales services. Customers are also facilitated with after sales services. That means if once the product is sold, customers should be given the facility of after sales services. Second is price planning. In modern time, a customer demands good and better quality product at reasonable rate. So, while deciding price, utmost care should be taken by organization. If not taken care, it's a competitive age, so customers can get diverted to other brands. Price decision includes sales policy, discount policy, credit policy, wholesale or retail sale, and also commission to mediators. Third one is distribution planning. It is related to the ways of selling, like how organization wants to sell, either by direct selling or through agents or wholesaler or retailers. As well, it also have to consider the problems related to transportation. Fourth one is promotion planning. That means organization have to plan about the promotion of the product in the market by advertising the product, publicity. So organization have to find out the ways to attract more customers and traders. So promotion can boost up the sales and ultimately it can result into profit to organization. We can say that the process of promotion is expensive, but it results into higher returns or profits or monetary benefits. Second functional area is human resource management. We are well aware with this word human resource, that means employees or staff of organization. We all know that in any business unit, man is at the center of business organization, and so they are considered valuable assets of business. Other assets like land, building, machinery, furniture, amongst all these assets, the most valuable assets are human, because success of any business unit depends on employees. So business unit has to take care and have to provide them safe environment, and due to such care there will be feeling of oneness developed, and loyalty among employees will also develop, and they will work more efficiently. They will give the best to organization. Let us understand, looking into the picture, the concept of human resources. It is the process of attracting, training, developing and maintaining an excellent workforce. That means business organization has to train employees for growth and development of business, and always have to maintain excellent workforce for it organization. Let's have a look on characteristics of human resource management. The first one is it includes selection, training, promotion and direction. That means human resource management is responsible to select the employees, to train them if needed, and to promote them after evaluating their performance, and give them proper direction, proper guidelines how to work. Second is it helps in achieving objectives. Because of human resource management, achieving objectives becomes easy. Next is it manages employees. So human resource management makes possible to manage employees. It is the main function of human resource management. It is very well said by the expert that you manage your man will manage rest of the things. Fourth one is it provides training. Yes, human resource management gives training to the employees so that they are updated with every new technologies and things. Fifth one is it evaluates performance of employees. Human resource management's main function is to evaluate the performance of each and every employee working in an organization. Sixth is it reduces labor turnover rate. So first let us understand what is meant by labor turnover rate. It refers to ratio of a number of employees who leaves company or organization. So human resource management makes possible to maintain skillful employees in organization for a long period of time. Seventh and the last one is it provides conducive atmosphere. That means human resource management gives the employees a safe environment to work. And now let's learn about the importance of human resource management. As you can see in the picture that it includes recruitment, selection, training, performance appraisal, compensation and rewards. Human resource management helps bridge the gap between employees' performance and organization's strategic objectives. So, for any business unit, human resource management is important. Now, let's have a look on importance of human resource management. First one is efficiency of employees increase. That means employees learn how to work in economical way. Second is profitability of business increase. Yes, if employees are working in an efficient manner or in an economical way, that means obviously profit is going to increase in organization. Third, business prestige is maintained. Goodwill or reputation in market increases because of human resource management. Fourth, higher standards for quality of goods are maintained. Once the reputation is built in market, human resource management focus on higher standards in terms of quality of production. Fifth, feeling of oneness among employees is developed. Human resource management makes possible that all the employees work for achieving accomplishment of common goals or objectives, keeping individual goals aside. Sixth, maximum use of resource is possible because maximum use of resource only can give maximum benefits. So human resource management focus on maximum use of resources. Reduction in labor turnover rate is seen. Yes, we have already studied that labor turnover rate is reduced. That means employees stays for the longer period in organization. That also skillful employees. Then job satisfaction is enhanced. Human resource management gives a proper environment that employees are satisfied with their job, give proper appraisals, give rewards, so employees are satisfied with their job. Third functional area of management is financial management. We are well aware with this word finance. Finance is like blood of business. No activity is possible without finance. Every decision that an owner makes has financial impact on the business or company. As we can't imagine our lives without blood, similarly, business cannot be imagined without finance. Business cannot survive a single day without finance. Finance is required for each and every activity in business unit. If you have to start your business, if you have to establish your business, you need finance. If you have to develop or expand the business, you need finance. If you have to modernize your business or update your business, again you need finance. If you have to install some new technologies, you need finance. So finance is required at each and every stage in business unit. So let's see what are the functions of finance. Before that, let's see the concept of financial management. The management and the custody of organizations' funds, seeing to it that these are effectively and efficiently utilized in order to provide for all the needs of organizations various operating unit. So the main function of financial management is to see that whether the funds given to the different departments are utilized properly or not. So, these are the functions of financial management: preparation for an audit, bookkeeping, that means accounting, then finance policies and procedures, revenue, fundraising strategy and model, financial performance, reporting and analyze, financial planning, that's forecasting. That means it maintains the accounts, frames the policies, and plans when the finance is required in the business, and so on. Let's learn the functions of financial management in more detail. First, to estimate financial needs. As business undertakes any project, the function of financial management is to estimate the capital required in it. Second, to make financial plans from the viewpoint of time duration. Financial management has to schedule how much capital is required during the particular period of time or during the particular project. Third, it prepares budget. That means for each and every department and business organization, financial management prepares budget. Fourth, it allocates fund. That means after estimating the budget for each and every department, it allocates funds to the department for the operation of activities. Fifth, it decides capital structure and selects source of acquisition of capital. Financial management prepares capital structure and get to know which are the sources capital can be acquired or received. For example, bank loan. Seventh, Sixth, to carry out the process of acquiring finance. Once the source is available, we have to carry out the process to acquire the finance. Seventh, to see whether the funds are utilized properly or not. Once they allocate the funds, it is the main function of financial management to check whether the funds are utilized properly or not in all financial activities. Eighth, to form financial policies. It is the main function of financial management that it should frame financial policies. And ninth, to plan for taxes. Financial management plan for taxes after seeing the income statement or the balance sheet. Then, tenth, to make arrangements of assets. If required, any asset, financial management will make arrangement of that asset in business unit. Fourth and the last functional area of management is production management. It is a process of conversion of raw material into consumable finished goods with the help of human effort. It's known as production. Production management produces goods and services which are capable to satisfy customers' need. That means transforming raw material into finished goods. That means ready to use or consume that product. That is a process of production. And you have to do the production in such a way that your product satisfies the need of customers by knowing their taste, preferences, demand, the likes, dislike. So you have to satisfy the need of customer by the production process. So this is the production process. Input plus transformation process is equals to output. Input your raw material, it will transform, it will convert into finished goods, and it will be output, that is product. Let's understand the functions of production management. First, to decide production plan. That means planning is to be done about method of production. Second, to undertake production research. That means before stepping into production process, production management conduct research activity so that there should not arise any problem after production. Third, to select product development as well as product mix. That means to decide about price, packing, printing, size, color, weight, and overall appearance of product. Fourth, to select technology and machinery. Production management has to look after which machinery should be installed, which technology should be applied so that it is beneficial in production process. Fifth, to take decisions regarding selection of location and layout. Layout means design. So production management has to decide the design before production process starts. Sixth, to estimate required material. How much material is required in the production process should be decided in advance by the production management. Seventh, to have production control. That means excess production should not be done. It should be done as per the demand and market to avoid wastage. Eighth, to have quality control. Production management has to maintain the quality of the product so that customers are satisfied. Ninth, to undertake activities that control expenditure. Production management has to minimize cost and maximize productivity for more profits. Tenth, to introduce variation and simplification in production. That means to remove difficulties and problems, production management should introduce simple process of producing the product, and there should be variation also. Now, with this, we have completed all the four functional areas of management, and even we have completed the first chapter, nature and significance of management. Thank you.